Desperate Dan. I'm broken inside but can't explain. I'm gonna explode but I'm trying to contain this anger inside, messing with my brain. Every day a step closer to going insane. The tiniest of hings get on my tits. It's fucking irrational and I'm in bits. I've got my head in my hauns, I'm at the end of my wits. I fight with masel to see who quits. I just don't get it. My life is great, so why the slump in my mental state? This wasn't my choice, so is it fate? I'm loaded with love, take away this hate. No sure how to do this and have my say. Declaring my mental state is in decay. Want to sort it out, don't want to lose my pay. Seen cunts sacked for their jobs and lose their way. Want to cry for help, but I'm a man. Holding back feelings the best I can. No sure how I got here, this wasn't the plan. I'm fucking in need, I'm desperate Dan. Desperate Dan.